Okay guys, thank you for following up to this session. Not only you are helping yourself, but you are helping a lot of tired lecturers trying very hard to teach you programming. Thank you very much. Now, right now, I have already prepared the necessary code so that this ADM add staff.aspx is capable of having a database driven drop-down list. Allow me to go and change back some of the values that has made this select department placed on the 4th position. I need to go and switch it back to the 1st position. How do I do that? I will need to go and scroll back to the page_load event method, and I need to go and make sure that it is inserted in the proper position, which is 0, the very first position in the drop-down list. In the previous session, I have learned from this website on how to go and create my own list item using C# code and provide some important information inside it. I'm telling the list item that you are going to have a value of 0 to represent the text that you are displaying. You are going to display select department. The list item will know, okay, this is my behavior. You have assigned information into my value property. You have assigned information into my text property. Then I must tell the drop-down list to take action by adding the newly created list item. So I've placed this list item, please select item, this list item into the 1st position within the items collection that belongs to the drop-down list. That is what I've done additionally inside the page_load event method. But I only did that after I have copied all these code just now. If page.expose back, slowly, right straight down here. Yeah, I copied all these, but not including this part here, okay? Not including this part here. From the project experiment drop-down list _ data bind concept. Where have I copied from? From the page load logic inside this web form. FRM drop-down list _ department.aspx.cs code behind file. Okay, now come back. It's time for me to test, but I have done some changes, right? Switching back to the original position. So I will save all, I will rebuild, and I need to go and test. How am I going to test? First of all, I will refresh here, or I can actually right click on the web form presentation file and view in browser. So I'm going to specify that there's a new staff that is going into the Slacker department, and this new staff is called Shannon. No lah, sorry. It's called what? It's called me. Okay, Tan Hu Xian. Right? No lah. It's called maybe I'll just call it as Nicole. Okay. Then after that, she is born in 1980, and this is her birthday. Okay, which is coming up. And she's going into the Slacker department. Submit. Okay, one record is saved. Let us check out whether our web form is indeed working. Now, Slacker department is uniquely represented by a value of 7. So if the staff record is being created carefully, when I try to go and check out the table, you can check out the table by right-clicking the staff and edit top 200 rows. If you have the table displayed here, you may just want to go and refresh. Okay, refresh. So you notice that Nicole has been created. This is the correct date of birth, and the value of 7 is properly being placed here. So in other words, has the drop-down list done its job to link up the staff information with the department information? Yes. How do I prove it? You see, I can always click on the new query, which I've done already. I clicked on the new query, and I can start practicing it on the correct database. Make sure that you are pointing to the correct database. Okay, notice that there's a drop down list here. Now, so I will just select select what? Select full name from what? Staff. Is that enough? If I test this one, if I execute, it will just give me a staff table with the names of all the staff inside the table. But I want it to work together with the department table, so I'll include the department here. And I would like to go and show the department name. So I'll just put the department name here. Okay, now this is what I've done, but is this enough? Let us test. You notice that the information is so weird. How come Billy is attached to sales and marketing? Billy is attached to finance. Let's take a look at Nicole. Nicole is attached not only to sales and marketing, she's also a superwoman to finance, Nicole to research, Nicole to Slacker department. Oh my god! Because I did not properly join these two tables together. It should be where what? Please, when you want to go and combine these two tables, I must tell the database that you must refer to the department record ID. That's why the department record ID exists in the staff table. So I need to refer to the department record ID that belongs to the staff table, join it up with the department record ID that belongs to which table again? That belongs to the department table, right? So this is the department table, right? What does the dot mean? Belongs to. So let us test again. Execute. Notice that right now the information is much more neater, clearer, and accurate, right? So in other words, the table design has already been done nice in order to go and work together to describe the staff attached to which department, right? Correct or not? So I have already finished testing, and I have already successfully combined the work that I have experimented in this experiment drop-down list. I've already moved all these experimented code into the actual project experiment data management that has a web form that allows the user to add staff record. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. You must really practice.